Here I have iPhone 13 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly, you have to open headphones case, then you have to enable Bluetooth, and after you see Galaxy Buds in the list of the available devices, just tap on them, and after that they will be connected. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap here, and then you have two options. You can either disconnect from them or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.